Gorilla Tag's actually starting to update. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes! No! Gonna look straight down. Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Become shark. Dive into caves with our exciting new shark cosmetics. Watch out, you are not alone in the water. Check out the Splash and Dash pack. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! I'm just gonna keep reading. Monkey alert. Ambush. The new game mode is here. Will you escape the chase or be caught unawares? Good luck. First, I want to check out caves. The things are more shiny. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait! This is so sick! It's underwater! Wait, that means it's the camping update! Wait, what the? Oh. Oh my gosh! It's actually underwater! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! They finally added the computer and the thing where you put your cosmetics and the game mode's here. Wait, the waterfall flooded it way too much. Oh my gosh, they're way more shiny now. Oh my gosh! You can ride the shark! Oh my gosh! The shark you can actually ride! It's like the April Fool's update! I'm at. Oh my gosh! He's in swimming gear! My favorite map? What's Ambush anyway? Oh my gosh! It's actually the camping update! Oh! So it's like camouflage hide and seek tag. Dog! Ugh! Oh my gosh! It's a pool you can actually swim in! This is awesome! And there's palm trees around it! Oh my gosh! They actually did close it! I knew it! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Wait, it's a whale! It's a whale balloon! Oh, I'm like a sea lion or something. What the heck? It's like a paddleboard or something. I love this shirt so much! It's just like the hot air balloon.
Bruh.
Oh. Coolers everywhere. Guys, it's time to be fun. It's finally time for me to freeze to death. Yeah! Please be changed. Whoa! Whoa, what the heck? Aww. It's a slip and slide! Oh! Wait, there's green in it now. Whoa! There's hot air balloons!
Yeah.